In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a document file to a Basecamp project. Let's start right from the beginning. First, you'll need to access the specific project where you want to upload your document. So, log into your Basecamp account the way you normally do. Once you're on your Basecamp home screen, you'll see a list of all your projects. Take a moment to find the project you're working on, then click to open it. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you manage several at once, so your file ends up in the right place for your team. Inside the project, look for the Docs and Files section. This is usually one of the main tools available within every Basecamp project, and it's often highlighted in orange. Go ahead and click on Docs and Files. This is where all your shared documents, uploads, and file folders will live, so it's a good habit to always come here when you want to store reference materials or important attachments. Once you're in the Docs and Files area, you'll see a button that says Add Docs and Files, typically in green and usually located near the top left of the page. Click this button to start the upload process. Think of this as telling Basecamp, I'm ready to bring in something new. After you click that button, you'll be given a couple of options for how you want to add your files. The first is Upload Files. Choose this if you prefer to browse your computer. When you click Upload Files, a file picker window will open so you can navigate to the folder on your computer where your document is stored. Select the file or files you want to add, then confirm. The second option is Drag and Drop. This is handy if you already have a folder open on your computer. You can simply drag the file from your desktop or folder and drop it into the upload area in Basecamp. Basecamp will recognize it and begin preparing it for upload right away. Once your file is selected, you'll see a preview or listing of what's about to be added to the project. Here, you can add notes or a brief description. This is a great place to explain what the document is for, who should look at it, or any context your team might need. When you're happy with everything, click the Post to the Project button to finish. Your document will now be saved in Docs and Files and available to everyone on the project.